You've been told walking is enough. Just hit 10,000 steps. Walking is exercise. But here's the truth. Walking alone won't get you truly fit. And if you think it will, you're missing the one thing your body actually needs to change. Stay to the end. I'll break down the real formula that turns healthy into strong, lean, and unstoppable.
By the end of this video, you'll know when walking does count as real exercise, when it stops working, and exactly how to fix it with a 7-day plan that builds strength, endurance, and energy. This isn't a walk-hate video. Walking's amazing. It's just not the whole story.
Step 1. What walking actually does. Let's start with the facts. Even a single 20-minute walk can reduce anxiety, clear your mind, and drop stress hormones like cortisol. It boosts mood, improves blood flow, and literally rewires your brain to handle stress better. Walk every day for a few weeks, and your body begins to adapt. Your heart pumps more efficiently, blood vessels expand, and your endurance improves. After a few months, blood pressure drops, your risk of heart disease falls, and bones get denser. That's powerful. That's why walking deserves its reputation. But here's the part no one tells you. It only takes you so far.
Step 2. When walking stops working. If you're inactive, under 5,000 steps a day, walking is your workout. It's the perfect gateway. But once you're already walking daily, it stops being enough of a challenge. Why? Because your body adapts. Your muscles, heart, and metabolism need progressive stress to grow stronger. Walking alone won't push your limits. It's too gentle to build muscle, too steady to boost cardio performance, and too predictable to change your metabolism. That's why people who walk every day still feel stuck, tired, soft, or plateaued, even with 10,000 steps. Step 3. Why walking isn't complete fitness. Think of your body like a machine. Walking keeps the engine running, but it doesn't upgrade the parts. You need 3 key components to stay truly fit. Number 1 is daily movement, your foundation. That's walking. Number 2 is hard cardio, the upgrade for your heart and lungs. And number 3 is resistance training, the armor that builds muscle and protects your bones. Walking hits number 1 beautifully, but number 2 and number 3, that's where transformation lives. Without them, you'll still lose muscle as you age. You'll burn fewer calories. You'll stay healthy, but not fit. Step 4. What complete fitness looks like. Here's the formula that actually works. 1. Daily steps, your foundation. Keep walking. 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day is perfect. It keeps your body mobile and metabolism active. Don't stress perfection, just move more. 2. Hard cardio, your engine. 3 sessions a week, 30 minutes each. Running, cycling, swimming, rowing, jump rope, anything that makes you breathe hard. If you can hold a full conversation, it's not intense enough. This is what boosts your VO2 max, your body's ability to use oxygen. It's what makes climbing stairs or chasing your kids effortless. 3. Strength training, your armor. Twice per week. Push-ups, squats, resistance bands, or weights. This is how you build your bones, your muscles, and your independence. Strength training is what keeps you powerful into your 70s. It's the difference between active and ageless.
Common mistakes. Most people stop at step 1. They walk, feel proud, post their tracker results, and stop progressing. Then they wonder, why am I still tired? Why do I look the same? Why am I losing muscle even though I'm active? Because walking is your baseline, not your ceiling. If you stop there, your progress stops there. Don't confuse movement with training. Training has intensity. Walking is movement, but it's not the stress your body needs to grow stronger. 7-day action plan. Here's your 7-day complete fitness challenge to reset your routine. Day 1 to 2. Hit 7,000 to 10,000 steps. No rush, just move more than usual. Day 3. Add one 20-minute cardio burst. Run, bike, or jump rope. Go fast enough that you can't talk easily. Day 4. Walk again. Active recovery. Stretch after. Day 5. Strength day. 3 rounds of push-ups, squats, and planks. Go slow. Focus on form. Day 6. Cardio again. Try intervals. 1 minute fast, 1 minute easy. Repeat 10 times. Day 7. Rest or walk lightly. Reflect on how you feel. Stronger? Sharper? More alive? That's progress, and that's only week 1.
So next time someone says, just walk more, smile, because you know the truth. Walking is powerful, but it's not enough. Build the complete version of you. Move daily, train hard, lift heavy.
Just gotta keep walking.